Have you ever wondered how significant a shrimp can be in the vast marine world? Well, let's dive in and explore the captivating realm of these small yet mighty creatures. Shrimp, with their translucent bodies and delicate appendages, are a sight to behold, but their importance extends far beyond their aesthetic appeal. Shrimp are part of the order called Decapoda, which they share with crabs and lobsters. This classification is characterized by creatures with 10 legs, and in the case of shrimp, the first pair is usually modified into claws. These claws are not just for show. They serve as essential tools for navigating their environment, capturing prey, and warding off predators. But shrimp aren't just any ordinary decapods. They come in a variety of types, each boasting its unique colors and characteristics. From the common white shrimp and the vibrant tiger shrimp to the formidable mantis shrimp, these creatures offer a stunning display of biodiversity. And it's not just about looks. Each type of shrimp plays a distinct role in its respective ecosystem. As primary consumers, shrimp are key players in marine food chains. They help regulate populations of plankton and other small organisms, which in turn support larger predators. This regulation is crucial for maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems, but there's more to shrimp than meets the eye. Beyond their fascinating biology and ecological role, shrimp have unique physical characteristics that make them stand out in the aquatic world. For instance, their appendages are not just for mobility, they are also used for sensing their environment, finding food, and even communicating with other shrimp. So, the next time you see a shrimp, remember that it's not just a tiny creature scuttling along the ocean floor. It's a vital part of our marine ecosystems, a remarkable example of biodiversity, and a testament to the intricate balance of life under the sea. These tiny creatures are indeed fascinating and play a crucial role in maintaining marine balance. Shrimp are not just fascinating to watch, they are crucial to the marine food web. These small creatures, often overlooked due to their diminutive size, play a role far larger than their physical stature might suggest. They are, in fact, primary consumers in marine food webs, serving as a vital link between the base of the food chain and the larger predators that rely on them for sustenance. Their diet primarily consists of plant matter, detritus, and small organisms, including plankton. By consuming these, shrimp help control and regulate the population of these tiny organisms. This role is particularly important as plankton, despite their small size, play a big part in marine ecosystems. They are the primary food source for a multitude of marine species and also contribute to the oxygen production in our atmosphere. But the influence of shrimp extends far beyond their immediate food sources. The shrimp's role in the food chain supports a wide array of larger predators such as fish, birds, and even humans. Through this cascading effect, the health and abundance of shrimp populations can have a significant impact on the overall balance and biodiversity of marine ecosystems. Think of it this way: if shrimp populations were to decline significantly, the creatures that rely on them for food would struggle to find enough to eat. This could lead to a decline in those species, which in turn could affect the predators that rely on them, and so on. This ripple effect through the food web showcases the importance of maintaining healthy shrimp populations. But the role of shrimp is not limited to being a food source. They also contribute to nutrient cycling in the water by breaking down organic matter and releasing essential nutrients back into the environment. So, in their own way, shrimp help to keep the waters of our planet healthy and productive. The survival of many marine species is linked to the health and abundance of shrimp populations. As we delve deeper into the world of these fascinating creatures, it becomes more evident how interconnected life in the ocean truly is. And at the heart of this intricate web, you'll often find a shrimp, quietly going about its vital work. Beyond their ecological role, shrimp are also economically significant. These little crustaceans with their delicate legs and translucent bodies are much more than just fascinating marine creatures. They represent a vital part of the global economy, supporting fishing industries across the world. Shrimp are a sought-after commodity in the seafood market. From the white shrimp of North America to the tiger shrimp of Asia, their diverse species are enjoyed by people everywhere, making them a staple in many cuisines. This widespread popularity has turned shrimp into a multi-billion-dollar industry, providing income for countless fishermen and vendors. Traditional shrimp trawling is one method used to catch these crustaceans. Large nets are dragged along the ocean floor, capturing shrimp and other marine creatures in their path. It's a practice as old as the fishing industry itself, and it continues to be a primary source of income for many coastal communities. But the story doesn't end there. With the increasing demand for shrimp, new techniques have emerged to boost their production. One such method is aquaculture, or shrimp farming. This involves breeding shrimp in controlled environments, from large outdoor ponds to sophisticated indoor tanks. It's a practice that's gaining traction, particularly in countries like China, Thailand, and Vietnam, where the demand for shrimp is high. Sustainable aquaculture practices are now being implemented, focusing on reducing environmental impact while maximizing yield. These include using organic feed, minimizing chemical use, and implementing efficient waste management systems. Such practices not only ensure a steady supply of shrimp, but also help protect marine ecosystems from potential damage. The economic importance of shrimp extends beyond the seafood market. They also play a key role in tourism, as snorkelers and divers are often drawn to areas rich in marine life, including shrimp. This, in turn, supports businesses like hotels, restaurants, and tour operators. Shrimp are not just marine creatures, they are the livelihood of millions of people around the globe. Their economic impact is as profound as their ecological role, making them truly significant inhabitants of our oceans. Despite their significance, shrimp populations are under threat. Our oceans, once a safe haven for these marine marvels, are now fraught with dangers that jeopardize their very existence. Overfishing is one such threat. Year after year, shrimp trawlers sweep the seafloor, capturing vast quantities of shrimp. This relentless harvesting can deplete shrimp populations faster than they can replenish, leading to a decline in their numbers. Habitat destruction is another formidable adversary. Shrimp thrive in diverse habitats, from the coral reefs of the tropics to the muddy estuaries of temperate zones. Yet these habitats are being degraded by activities such as coastal development, dredging, and bottom trawling. As these habitats disappear, so too does the shrimp sanctuary. Furthermore, pollution poses a serious risk. Toxins from industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic debris can contaminate the waters where shrimp live. These pollutants can harm shrimp directly or indirectly by degrading their food sources and habitats. Lastly, we can't forget about the looming shadow of climate change. Rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, and changes in ocean currents can disrupt the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. These changes can alter shrimp distribution and breeding cycles, affecting their survival. These threats are not isolated, they are interlinked, each one exacerbating the others. Overfishing reduces the resilience of shrimp populations, making them more vulnerable to habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. In turn, these threats disrupt the balance of marine ecosystems, affecting not just shrimp but countless other species. The survival of shrimp is about more than just one species, it's about the health of our entire marine ecosystem. Protecting shrimp means safeguarding the intricate web of life that exists beneath the waves, a web in which every strand is interconnected, every life form valued. It's about preserving the rich biodiversity of our oceans and ensuring their vibrancy for generations to come. The future of shrimp lies in our hands. These tiny yet significant creatures are at the mercy of our actions, and it is up to us to determine their fate. Conservation efforts are of utmost importance to ensure the survival and sustainability of shrimp populations. One such effort is sustainable fishing practices. Overfishing, particularly with the use of damaging trawling techniques, is a major threat to shrimp and other marine species. By shifting towards more sustainable methods such as selective fishing and aquaculture, we can reduce the pressure on wild shrimp populations and allow them to recover. Habitat restoration is another crucial conservation strategy. Shrimp inhabit a variety of aquatic environments, from saltwater oceans to freshwater rivers. However, these habitats are often degraded by human activities, such as coastal development and pollution. Through efforts to restore and protect these habitats, we can provide safe homes for shrimp and countless other marine organisms. Reducing pollution, particularly plastic waste and chemical runoff, is also vital for shrimp conservation. Shrimp, like many marine species, are vulnerable to the harmful effects of pollution. They can become entangled in plastic debris or ingest toxic chemicals, leading to injury or death. By reducing our waste and managing our use of harmful substances, we can create cleaner, healthier oceans for shrimp to thrive in. But these efforts cannot succeed in isolation. To truly safeguard the future of shrimp, we need global cooperation. Governments, industries, and individuals must all play their part in conserving our marine environments. This involves not only implementing conservation measures, but also raising awareness and fostering a sense of responsibility towards our oceans. By protecting shrimp, we protect the beauty and diversity of our oceans and the creatures that call them home. So let's work together to ensure that shrimp continue to grace our waters, dazzle us with their intricate behaviors, and contribute to the intricate web of life under the sea. The future of shrimp and our oceans depends on us.